At Best Tax Pro, we use a number of different strategies in order to accomplish tax relief for our clients. And that's a lot more than peace of mind. Tax relief is what we provide to our clients. But the question comes up often enough. What is tax relief? Hi, my name is Josh Webskowski with Best Tax Pro, where we have a team of tax experts with over 200 years of experience working with the IRS. That is to say, our team is made up of former IRS revenue agents, tax attorneys, enrolled agents, and CPAs. Tax relief means different things to different people. Some clients say, hey, minimize my tax liability, or eliminate my tax liabilities, and then take away the penalties and any interest the IRS says that I owe them. But these tax relief programs range from the simple to the more complex. And while every tax relief solution is different, you need to make a point. 3 primary tax relief strategies that we use with most of our clients, I'll go over. But before I describe the strategies, I need to emphasize that everyone's tax situation is unique and different. But there are some common qualities that might make tax relief more easy for some clients than others. For instance, the more compliant you've been with filing your taxes, like your returns are filed on time, you make a concerted effort to pay what you can afford to pay in a timely manner, the more likely the government, that is the IRS, is to work with you on a tax relief program. Additionally, the fewer resources you have in terms of income and assets, well, that is to say, the poorer you are, the more options become available to you to provide tax relief. And lastly, the older the tax debt, the more likely that tax relief can be found in your favor. So what are the 3 major tax relief strategies that we use with the majority of our clients at Best Tax Pro? Currently not collectible or hardship, installment agreements or a payment plan, and then everybody's favorite, because everybody's got a question about what an offer and compromise is. I cover that in another video. But that's a settlement program you can have with the federal government or the state. But what if you can't afford to pay your taxes? What do you do to look for a tax relief strategies? This is where the IRS settles with you to pay rather than what they say you owe them, but what you can afford to pay. And in the offer and compromise video, I make it clear that there are other tax relief strategies and activities that can be utilized, such as the innocent spouse relief or filing back taxes to correct IRS substitute for returns. And there's abatement of penalties, but the 3 primary ones that we offer here are currently not collectible or hardship program, the installment agreement, and the best being the partial pay installment agreement. And that's become actually many times better than what we call an offer and compromise or a settlement program. Now, there are certain high-profile tax relief companies out there that can do their best to sell that pennies on the dollar program. And they shuffle people in for an offer and compromise because, realistically, they can charge you more for that. And it's an easy sell. However, most taxpayers don't qualify for an offer and compromise, and these large companies often don't tell you that. Other tax relief options might be more attainable. So the Federal Trade Commission's website has a page devoted to this about shady tax relief companies. But that's not how we operate. Like I said in the beginning, everybody's tax situation is unique and different. And I like to keep things simple. Many other firms purposely mislead people, and they don't explain what it takes to qualify up front. They just want your money, and they don't care if you get approved or not. We're a conservative firm with a 0 complaint record with the Better Business Bureau. We only take cases that we know that we can help, period. If you'd like to schedule your free 30-minute consultation to see if we might be able to help you, find a tax relief strategy that fits your unique tax situation, you can click on the link below, or you can contact me at 763-477-4205. My name is Josh Webskowski with Best Tax Pro. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you've been able to learn something today. Please like and subscribe my channel.